People who were killed for knowing too much. Paul Walker, the actor who was investigating something dangerous. Paul Walker was known worldwide for his action movies, but in the last years of his life, he became involved in humanitarian missions related to Haiti after the 2010 earthquake. Some people believed he was getting too close to issues involving corruption and criminal networks connected to the tragedy. In November 2013, Paul attended a charity event and got into a Porsche Carrera GT with a friend. A short time later, the car crashed on a straight street in California and caught fire. The accident shocked the world because it happened so suddenly and took the life of one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Official investigations concluded that excessive speed caused the crash. Even so, the case generated many theories online, with people questioning details of the collision and believing there was something more than a simple accident. To this day, Paul Walker's death remains surrounded by speculation, mixing real facts, official investigations, and theories that appeared after his death.